What is going on, guys? My name is Ahad. Welcome back to the channel. Today, Call of Duty Black Ops Season 4 has been released. Now, I am super pumped because we got a bunch of new stuff and they added a new map. They added Hijacked, one of my favorite maps of all time from the Black Ops franchise. So I'm super excited about that. I can't wait because, you know, you're always going to be on Hijacked 24/7 for a long time. But they also came out with a new Battle Pass. Check this out. So we've got the new Battle Pass, and then we instantly get Jackal as well as a new Port Nova skin, and they released a new some new weapons. So let's take a look at some weapons. So first of all, they released the C58, which is, I thought it was going to be like an FAL, but it's fully auto, so that's exciting. We also got a new LMG variant, the MG82. I think this is the first LMG drop that they've done for Call of Duty Cold War, so that's going to be super exciting to use. And then, my favorite, we added a new special weapon, the nail gun. This is by far my favorite weapon drop so far, because I know in Black Ops 3 it was super good, and so I can't wait to hop into a game and use this because, oh man, that just looks so sick, the puncture wound. So without further ado, let's hop into a few games and see what we can do using the new nail gun. Alright, we are in the game. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, that looks so nice. And look at this map. Holy crap, this looks so good. Oh man, this is bringing back a lot of memories. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. It's got a decent rate of fire. My only gripe is that you get only 15 a clip. So I feel as though you kind of need to run scavenger on it. Oh, there we go. That's one. We got one. Now, I only wish that we could add attachments to this, because I think just having like a red dot sight would make this gun so much better.
We're in the lead.
Get some kills. Got one. Got him. Oh. Got one. Where are you going? Got him. Oh my goodness.
Contesting. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is secure.
There we go.
Contesting hardpoint.
Two. Oh, we almost had that three-piece. I heard him too. Man. Oh. One. Oh my goodness.
Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint locked down. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Oh my goodness. Run. Oh.
Locked down. Hardpoint contested.
Do I reload? Yes. Reload. Quickly. Nah, man. I have played four different matches, and they're all been hard point.
Secure.
There he is. Oh, that's funny. Ah.
Point contested.
Yeah. Damn it.
Hostile spy plane established overhead. Hardpoint lost. Contesting hardpoint. We've
Oh,
lost the hardpoint.
oh, how did I survive that? No!
Lost.
Oh,
Hardpoint locked down.
how did I
We
get
have
that?
armor available.
We've lost the hardpoint.
Bob and weave. Bob and weave, boys.
Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint
Shit.
locked down.
There you are. That down.
Hardpoint located.
Got him. Oh my god.
Hardpoint contested.
This one. Shit.
Отлично. Спецназ, you're pulling ahead. Hardpoint contested. We've lost the hardpoint.
Oh, dear.
Contested hardpoint.
There we go.
Lima Charlie.
There you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I personally like it. It kind of sucks that you can't add attachment to it like in Black Ops 3, but nevertheless, good gun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button, comment if you guys are enjoying it, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.